guys, welcome back again to my channel, The Appalachian Home. So I've got a lot of questions about this, and I just wanted to post a quick tutorial to show you guys how to use swashes in Design Space. If you watched my video that I did for the blessed sign back about a year ago, I get a lot of questions on how to do the letters for that, so I'm going to show you guys today. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is just open up Design Space and open up a new project. So once you have your blank canvas, you'll just go over here to your text icon and type in the word that you want. I'm going to type in blessed. Then I'm going to go to my font drop down box up here at the left, and I want to filter my fonts. Filter is this little icon here. Click that, and then you can filter to my fonts or writing fonts, different filters that you can add. I'm just going to do my fonts so that I can find this, and you can also type the name of the font that you want up here in the search, and it will come up with all of the fonts that name. So I'm going to be using Velvetberries. When you purchase a font that has swashes, you will get several different fonts with that purchase. You'll get the regular font, also come with a Velvetberries combo, which is like a swashes that have double letters and different combos that you can do. And it also comes with a left swash and a right swash. So today I'm going to be showing you the left and right. If you are downloading fonts for free, like from dafont.com, you will not always get swashes with your fonts. You're more likely probably just going to get the regular font, like the Velvetberries version, without your swashes. So if you're trying to do this with a free font, it may not be possible. You may actually have to purchase a font or search really hard for a free font that comes with swashes. So I'm going to go ahead and change all of my letters to just my regular font. And then once I have that, I'm going to go over here to ungroup and ungroup all of my letters. Now all of my letters are separate, and I can change them one by one. So for my B, I want a swash on the left side. So I'm going to double click on my B, and then I'll go up here to my fonts and change my font type to Velvetberries left, because the swash is going to be on the left side. So when I do that, as you can see, it's added the swash on the left side. I'll do the same thing to the D, and I want it to be on the right side of my D, so I'm going to select Velvetberries right, and then that changed that. And then after you get your swashes added, you can just move all of your letters over until you're happy with the way that your word looks. And then you just select all of your letters and weld them together, and then you can resize them to whatever size that you want. And now this is ready to send to your cutter, and it's going to cut it out as one word. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.